All right, what's up, YouTube? All right, so I'm going to show you guys how these custom cars work. Pretty simple, right? So these cars are basically the same. A customer bought this car for $100, but I dropped it and I broke the spoiler off the back, right? This is a 1969 Camaro. So he's really getting a better deal because this is a $70 car, but I was able to get it for like 10 bucks. Somebody was just slipping because it was loose, right? So this is how I'm gonna do it, right? So I got these custom alloy rims right here. These are real alloys with slotted disc brakes and red calipers. So when that wheel spins, that red caliper stays in place, just like how a brake system would work. So these rims are like $5.99 or something with shipping. So if you buy a few at a time, you can get them for $5.99. But if you're buying them one at a time, it'll probably be like 10 bucks because you got to pay that extra foreign shipping. So what I'm gonna do, what I figured out to do is, now this is how this interior looks, right? Just all black, nothing special. See how that interior looks, right? So this is what I'm gonna do. And this is how the wheels look. These are just like the stock rallies, you know? And they're cool, whatever, but you know, I do my thing to them. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna take that, put it here, boom, put that like this, right? But this ain't even going back on. As a matter of fact, we're gonna do this. Bam, because this is out the picture. This is out the picture. You know what? I'm gonna send that to my customer for free along with this one. And because he would want to swap it, I'll just send him this frame just for whatever. He can have it for free because I'll throw it in the garbage. So I'll send that to the customer, man. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop these off. Now this is where, let me see how that is. So we gonna pop them on there like that. Now these are staggered. They don't sell them like this. I just knew to buy the bigger size rim and then buy the littler size rim and put them together, you know? That's another reason I charge what I do for my customs, you guys, because you really can't just buy them like that. Now, I might want to chop that axle down and get rid of that play, but for now, so we're gonna throw the white guts in there. See what I'm saying? This is why I charge what I do, man. Look how this car's gonna look. Throw the white guts in there. Hold on. Have it on. I might have, no, see, there we go. And then it's just held together by this one little screw. So now normally if I wasn't selling this car to a customer to replace the other one broken, I would charge 200 bucks for this car. But I can't now. I gotta let him get it for $100 that he paid. I gotta let him get it for that and just keep it 100 with him, you know? No big deal. He can have the other one too. But yeah, that's how this works. This little business I got going that I turned into a charity that I really need to turn into a non-profit. So that's the finished product. Y'all see it? Let me pop that door. Let me pop that hood for you. You know, they put a lot of details into these cars now. It's not like a raggedy Hot Wheel. You know, they put a lot of detail into it. I wish I could get you some better lighting right here and here, but You see how it goes? Pop that door open. You know, see, pop that down. This car's got a real good finish on it too. There's no orange peel to it. Let me try and get it really. Man, I wish y'all could see what I see. But yeah, that's the finished product that fast, y'all. So that's that. And really now, I want y'all to really get a good look at that. Let's get that in the picture. I want y'all to really get a good look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna send a picture of it to him and put it in a box and send it out. But yeah, that's how I make, you know what? This is actually starting to pick up. I've been making these cars for a while. I started my eBay store. I'll put a link down in the bottom too. My eBay store, I started that, man, about a year ago. I think maybe a little bit longer, but now it's making me about $500-600 a month that I'm able to, donate to kids with cancer and do certain things for them. I'm gonna go get my nephew $500 worth of shoes. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to just be helping my own nephew. I want to find another donor also, y'all. So I'll figure that out though. But I'm just not giving it to no organization to like pay other people to not really do nothing before the kids get anything. We're not gonna do that. So yeah, look at that paint job though. I really wish I could keep this. Dang, man. I can't even do them like that though. I didn't really know this car was gonna come out so nice, man. I don't even want to give it up, but he already paid for it. So what can I do, right? Deal's a deal, man. But yeah, I'm out.